Hi there, I'm Rami from Ledger, and today I'm going to introduce you to Passphrase. Ledger devices provide state-of-the-art crypto security to protect your digital assets. As long as you keep your keys offline and never share your 24-word recovery phrase, would-be online thieves will be unable to access your account. But sometimes an extra layer of protection can provide added security and peace of mind. That's why Ledger devices offer Passphrase, an advanced security feature that allows you to create a hidden profile within your Ledger device. In this video, we'll explain what Passphrase is and show you how to use it. Every Ledger account is protected by a unique, randomly generated 24-word recovery phrase, meaning thieves have a 1 in 115 quintillion chance of accessing your account. While these odds are astronomical, enabling Passphrase on your Ledger devices take it a step farther by creating a new set of private keys, unlocking access to a new set of accounts in your Ledger device protected by a customized 25th word of your choice up to 100 characters. Think of it like having two distinct profiles in your Ledger device, each with their own set of accounts and private keys. Your first main profile is protected by your 24th word recovery phrase. Your second passphrase profile is secured by that same 24-word recovery phrase plus your passphrase. Because these profiles are distinct, accounts in your passphrase profile can be hidden and kept secret, offering you plausible deniability in situations where you're forced to provide access to your Ledger device. But more than later. The easiest way to understand how Passphrase works is to see it in action. First, you will need to unlock your Ledger device, open your settings, then select Advanced. Once there, tap the option to set up Passphrase. You will then have two options to choose from: a temporary passphrase or a passphrase attached to a pin. Today, I'll be showing you how to create a passphrase attached to a pin. Tap this option and choose your passphrase pin. This can be any combination of 4 to 8 digits, but it must be different from the pin code you use to unlock your main profile. After you enter your new pin, follow the on-screen instructions and enter the pin a second time to confirm. You will then be asked to create your passphrase. This can be up to 100 characters long and should be treated just like your 24-word recovery phrase. If you lose or forget your passphrase, you will not be able to recover any funds from this passphrase account. Do not take a photo or record your passphrase on your computer or phone. Treat it the same way you would treat your 24-word recovery phrase. Record it somewhere safely offline and store it somewhere only you can access. You will then need to verify your passphrase. Then, confirm the selection using your main PIN code. At this point, your passphrase protected account is set up. In order to swap between profiles, simply lock the device and enter your main PIN code to unlock your main profile, or input your passphrase PIN code to unlock your passphrase profile. If you already have assets stored on your Ledger device, they exist in your main profile. Anything you want in your passphrase profile will require executing a transfer from the account in your main profile to a new account in your passphrase profile. To do that, go ahead and unlock your Ledger device using your passphrase PIN code. Then open up Ledger Live. Select an asset. In this tutorial, we will use Solana. Tap Solana in your profile. Then tap Add New to create an additional account address. Now, you will be prompted to open the corresponding app on your Ledger device. The device will now synchronize with your Ledger Live. It will by default call it Solana 1. In order to make sure you don't confuse which account belongs to which profile, let's rename the new account to PS Solana. To do this, tap on Solana in your profile again, tap Solana 1, then Settings, Account Name, PS Solana. Now, I'm going to click PS Solana, then tap Receive to collect the wallet address. While your Ledger device is still unlocked in your passphrase profile, go ahead and verify your wallet address. Tap Verify My Address in Ledger Live, then follow the on-screen instruction shown on your Ledger. Now, verify the address between the two devices are the same, then tap Confirm. After that, go ahead and lock your Ledger device. This action will lock you out of your Passphrase profile. Now, let's go over to our main profile and move funds to the Passphrase account. Unlock and input your main profile PIN on your Ledger device. Then, in Ledger Live, copy the wallet address from your Passphrase profile. Click the back arrow, then select the wallet account with funds in your main profile. Click Send. Then, paste the address from your Passphrase profile. Hit Continue, then select the amount of crypto you want to move. Confirm the information in the summary field is correct. Then, connect your Ledger device. Review your transaction and sign to confirm. While most transactions will reflect quickly, it can take a day or two before the funds appear. Congrats! Now your assets are more secure than ever. If you wish to take it a step further, you can provide yourself plausible deniability by intentionally deleting the Passphrase accounts in your Ledger Live portfolio. That way, if someone forces you to provide access to your Ledger device, you can unlock just the main profile that appears in your Ledger Live account, keeping your Passphrase profile hidden. To do this, select the Passphrase account. Click Settings in the top right corner, then tap Remove Account from the portfolio. Then tap Delete. Don't worry, your funds are still there, and you can easily be repopulated in the Ledger Live app. To do this, you need to unlock your Ledger device using your Passphrase PIN code. As we are still in Solana in Ledger Live, tap on Add New in your Solana accounts. Your Ledger device will then prompt you to open the Solana app. Tap Open to confirm. Follow the prompt to sync your Ledger device. Your Ledger Live app will then sync with your Passphrase profile and populate any hidden accounts. See? It's still there. Now I can click Continue to add that account back to my Ledger Live portfolio. Note, if you have multiple hidden assets across different blockchain networks, you will need to sync your Passphrase profile for each crypto network one by one. In this video, we covered how to set up and use Passphrase on your Ledger device. If you want to review a specific one, you can scroll through the chapters below. Thanks for watching this Ledger tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or comments, let us know. Till next time, stay secure.